seen her in Big Boss. We have seen her in Nach Baliye, and she's done a fabulous job. She's been around for a very long time, and she's an inspiration for many women out there who's doing hard work and who's out there and being strong and looking after themselves and just through the tough of lives. And I think I can see her. I will just try to take her in. Just a minute. I think she'll be joining in very soon. For all the people who are joining in, once again, very happy Holi to you, and it's a very special night in Dubai as well.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you, Nadia?
Very well. Assalamu alaikum. All the way from Dubai.
Salam.
Yeah.
How are you?
Happy Holi to you.
Same to you. Same to all of you.
All of you out there, yeah. So how are you celebrating Holi today in India? Is it
no celebrations, Nadia, because we are it's a not a lockdown, but it's like a night curfew. So everybody's at home, and can you see me well?
Yes, I can see you.
Yeah.
If you can brighten a light a bit more.
Okay. I think I need to change my position. Just give me a minute.
Sure. Hi, Ahmed. Thank you. I saw your compliment, Ahmed. Thank you so much.
Is this better?
Yes, much better.
Is this better?
Much better. And you look fabulous.
Okay. Thank you. You too. You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, there's a lot of people joining in.
Yeah, let everybody join in. Hi, everybody. Hi, hello. Hi, Saloni. Hi, Nakia, Basim, Prince. Hi. Priya Patil, hello.
Looking fresh. Yes, you are looking fresh.
Hello, Aman. Hello. Palak Niraj, hi. Delnas, please come on Big Boss this season. मेरे चाचा का है ना, मेरे चाचा Big Boss है, बैठे हुए हैं channel में.
Oh wow, somebody from Iraq. Nice.
Okay. Thank you, Palak. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Prince Rawal. Hey, Ahmed. Hey, Ahmed. Hi. I done one interview with Ahmed as well. Chai with Ahmed. Hello, my dearest Nuzat. My friend Nuzat is here. She has a brand called Exotic Oud India. She is lovely. Yes. She has a brand which Oud to aap logo ke liye to, it's a very popular thing out there. Yeah. But I just love her brand. I just love it.
Oh, mashallah. Amazing.
Yeah. Hi, Neha. Hi, Just Surat Jokes. Hi. Shaurya Gandhi. Nuzat. Kisses. And kisses to all my fans. Kisses to everybody. These are my regular people who just keep on supporting me, coming for all my lives, commenting. कभी भी कोई post करो ना नादिया, ये सब लोग, ये मेरे सब जो gang है वो एकदम support में आ जाती है.
I've got quite a question from Dubai as well. A lot of fans, they've dropped in questions. I'll take their questions.
जी.
So,
बोलिए.
True. That is so true. I agree with Mr. Ajay. That is so true. He's saying you like every pictures of all celebrities. That's such a sweet gesture of yours. In this competitive world, लोग एक दूसरे को इतना support नहीं करते, It is so amazing if you're doing that.
No, I've always been like that. I've always been like that because कोई किसी का नसीब
बिल्कुल
आपको जरूर मिलेगा,
Amazing. So if you allow me, मैं शुरू करूँ question answers.
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. So Delnosti, if I have to ask, how did your journey start and how did you decide that acting is what I want to do?
I've always been very fond of acting. Nadia, आप बहुत पीछे मुझे लेकर चले गए because I think half the जनता knows कि मैंने कैसे शुरू किया. मैंने
Okay.
थिएटर से शुरू किया basically. मैं कॉलेज में बहुत स्टेज किया करती थी. स्कूल एंड कॉलेज में स्टेज किया करती थी. But I never thought that this is going to be my profession. What happened was my hobby just became my profession. So जैसे मैं करती गई and you know, one fine day there was somebody who was a very well-known personality in theatre. Theatre करते थे, stage करते थे. तो
जी.
उन्होंने मुझे, मेरी मम्मी को in fact approach करके बोला कि I want to cast your daughter. And she said, but she's still in school. So he said, okay, fine. After she passes out of school, like I want to give her a break on stage. And that is what happened. And then, you know, एक होता है ना 16-17 साल में you're making your own money, you're making your own pocket money, you're earning your own money. So that
Nice,
gave
proud feeling.
yeah, a very proud feeling, and that gives you a high. You know, as a child, you're getting your education, and you're pursuing what you like, and that's what happened. And without even realizing, I was all there. So, but I think मैं माहिर हो गई कॉमेडी में ज्यादातर, and that's how the label happened. Like, okay, she's a comic actor. She is doing comedy. So basically, theater happened, and eventually serials happened, and serials ke baad movies happened, and there are so many people here who are just, yes, I was in Milenge Milenge, Bryn Raval. There's so many people. I swear, so much love. Thank you, guys.
So nice. This is love so
that's
much.
like my basic story, Nadia. If you go to see the question that you asked me. So yeah, it was all wonderful.
Amazing. So who's been, अगर पूछे आपकी सबसे biggest support in your struggle days or your happy days, that one person that you say, you know, throughout? Like,
I think in my initial days, in my initial days, obviously it was my mother, because हमारी family was a very humble middle class Parsi family, Parsi background. और पारसीज को ना एक जनरल एक मूवीज में स्पेशली एक तरीके से दिखाया जाता था, लाइक अ कैरिकेचर. सो आई ऑल्सो नेवर लाइक दैट, बिकॉज माई हिंदी वॉज वेरी वेरी गुड. सो वेरी गुड इन द सेंस आई वुड प्राउडली से दैट आजकल जो लोग हिंदी बोलते हैं, जो नए आर्टिस्ट, उससे तो कई ज्यादा अच्छी है मेरी हिंदी. आई मीन आई कांट ऑब्वियसली कंपेयर माई हिंदी टू यू गाइज, लाइक जो दुबई में आप लोग इतनी शुद्ध उर्दू बोलते हो वैसा नहीं, लेकिन जो जितना yeah, and I don't have a Parsi accent to my Hindi. So what happens is, I didn't want to get a label like, oh, she's the Bavi girl, she's an Parsi actor hai, तो उनको वो caricature बन जाते हैं. So I never wanted to do that. So I made sure that I never pick up any roles which are Parsi roles in movies or in serials. So I got a lot of support from my mom, because my dad was very clear that, my father was very clear that my daughter is really young, and if you don't go with her everywhere, I'm not going to let her even do plays or act or whatever. So I came from a very, very protective background, and then gradually, like, things, my mom used to come with me and support me wherever I would be there. And of course, then I became like, thoda street smart aap apne aap bhi ho jate ho, because you're working, you know people, then you get a little aware of things. And then of course you become a matured person. So, you've studied the industry a bit. So then I handled everything on my own. And now I have my biggest support, my Percy, my life partner. He is with me. He supports me in everything. So it's wonderful. Yeah.
So amazing. So amazing.
Hi,
I think Ahmed wants you to speak some Arabic. Ahmed, drop in questions. I'll make you speak Arabic.
Ji. Ji, kya bol rahe ho?
No, I'm saying Ahmed's asking me to make you do Arabic. I said, yeah, drop in question and I will. Ahmed was live with yesterday, so he and I go long way back, so we were laughing a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Did you see? Okay, when I say this, आपने television में भी काम किया, and of course movies में भी काम किया. So what's the difference, or what was your more comfort zone? कि मुझे this is, I mean, like movies में obviously अलग है, TV में अलग है, लेकिन आपको किस में मजा आया? What do you difference?
I think I never made any choices. I just kept working.
Okay.
I am a workaholic. एंड इंडस्ट्री में ना, अब अगर स्पेशली आज की तारीख में, अगर आज की तारीख में नादिया आप बैठे रहोगे थिंकिंग दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दैट वन बिग चंक ऑफ रोल और व्हाटएवर, यू जस्ट गोइंग टू बी बैठे ही रहोगे आप फिर, बिकॉज इतना टैलेंट है, इतने लोग आ रहे हैं टू बिकम एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस एंड राइटर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स, सो मेनी पीपल इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था बहुत छोटी इंडस्ट्री in terms of people, you know, and we used to do smaller shows. We used to start shooting at like 7 in the morning, like say 8 in the morning, and pack up by 1 in the afternoon. आज की तारीख में मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकती कि, because the daily soap trend has started, everything has started, so basically it's a tough world to be in. And मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे लिए it was always like medium important नहीं है, काम important. काम करते रहो एज एन एक्टर, बी इट थिएटर, बी इट सीरियल्स, बी इट फिल्म्स. And very rightly, as Neha is out here commenting that she is the best but just underrated, and I feel very strongly that I am underrated.
I'm sure. Even I feel, because
I have loved being there on all three mediums. I cannot discriminate. I cannot say ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है, वो कम अच्छा है, बिकॉज मैंने तीनों में काम किया. मैं और अभी चौथा मीडियम जो वेब सीरीज का मीडियम आ गया, उसमें भी मैंने शुरू कर दिया है काम करना. तो आई कैन नॉट से आई एम एन एक्टर, एक्टिंग इज माई पैशन. मीडियम आप मुझे कोई भी दे दो, यू नो. तो बट द पॉइंट इज दैट yes, like a lot of people feel that I have been underused in the industry, underrated, literally underrated, and I do believe I do. But I am not going to I'm not going to speak sour. I'm not going to, like, you know, feel bad about it. I am going to feel I'm going to feel proud of the fact that जितना मैंने किया, जितना मैंने अचीव किया, जितनी वीकनेसेस के साथ, जो एक यू नो, जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था, जो जैसे मैंने बोला कि यार पारसी लड़की है, उनको कौन सा रोल दे, गोरी चिट्टी है, अरे थोड़ी सी मोटी है, शी इज अ प्लम गर्ल, शी कैन नॉट बी द कन्वेंशनल हीरोइन. इन सब के बावजूद अगर मैं 30 साल तक टिकी रही हूँ, तो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. या
of course you are, and I think whatever work you did, people loved you for it. Like all kind of work, whether it was theater, TV, films. I mean, आपको हर तरफ से प्यार मिला and acceptance मिली, which is so amazing.
I'm just blessed because I just feel that in spite of all of these things that were there surrounding me, because easily आपको role मिलना, you know, especially being from a non-filmy background, a Parsi background, जहाँ एक perception होता है कि यार इनकी हिंदी अच्छी नहीं होती है, वो बहुत एंग्लिसाइज्ड होते हैं, इनकी स्किन बहुत फेयर होती है, इनको कहाँ प्लेस करे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. इन सारी चीजों के बावजूद, यू नो, if I'm here today in front of you, I think I just made it. Yeah.
We all know that, and you know that. So, like, you are the superwoman. You are one of those fighters and a superwoman.
And there are so many people. Happy Holi, guys. So many. Amrit ji, hi. DJ Percy, hello. Priyanka, hi. Hello, guys. Sorry, मैं सबको नहीं. Yes, Ahmed. Speaking Arabic. आप मुझे बता दो यार, नादिया बता देगी कुछ words मुझे. Hi, Dev Sachdeva, Deva Sachdeva. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Happy Holi to all of you. Abhilasha, hi, dear. Yes, Abhilasha. I love your jewelry, Abhilasha. Abhilasha is from Jaipur. And she makes some wonderful jewelry. And Percy saying I'm a wonderful cook too. Okay, thank you, Percy.
Amazing. Um, so besides an actor now, for I mean, new generation की बात करें, because you've been there for so long. So I mean, पहले तो acting, like you said, was very important. Nowadays, I think actors को और भी struggle करना पड़ता है. So besides acting, what other qualities they need to have to like kind of get work now in the industry? Because industries has changed a lot.
For the newcomers, you're asking, Nadia?
Yeah.
I think it's see, if you know what, I have always believed, Nadia, that आप या तो एक्टर हो या नहीं हो,
बिल्कुल.
आपकी सिर्फ स्किल शार्पन हो सकती है. आप लोग सोचते हैं कि हम स्मॉल टाउन से आएंगे, हम कहाँ कहाँ से आएंगे, हमें एक्टर बनना है. लेकिन प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट ये कोई ऑप्शनल वाला गेम नहीं है कि हमने ये, मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता था लेकिन अभी मेरे से डॉक्टरी नहीं हो रही है इसलिए मैं एक्टर बन रहा हूँ. यू नो, लाइक आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल से अब मेरा बेटा एक्टर बनना चाहता है. मतलब दे बहुत हल्के में ले लेते हैं ये प्रोफेशन को, इन टर्म्स ऑफ दे डोंट दे जस्ट फील कि हाँ यार यहाँ आके सब हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा गुड लुकिंग फेस है, बॉडी बना लेगा, आ जाएगा. यू नो, इट डजंट हैपन लाइक. And then when it doesn't happen, then
they get disheartened.
Obviously बहुत मायूस हो जाते हो. You obviously feel that it's not good, it's not a very good place. But try and understand that you need to be very, very focused. You need to have that determination, and most importantly, I have told every young actor that I meet, I ask that actor, I said, are you passionate about this profession? Because people who have been here for 35, 40, 50 years, there is one thing that is only common in all those people is the passion for the profession. It's not, आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना, पैसे के लिए आप एक दिन शूट करोगे आपको इतने पैसे कमाने मिलेंगे. अब तो इंस्टाग्राम आ गया है तो सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स और ये और वो और कितनी सारी चीजें हो गई है. Web series, there's so many things that people can do, which is also good. But try and understand the basic is, are you passionate about this profession? Because acting की अगर आप बात करो, सिर्फ एक्टिंग की बात करो और एक्टर बनना है तो पैशन के सिवाय आपको और you just need to be there, be focused, be determined. There is nothing like money, fame, glamour. There are all the paraphernalias which come with it. The basic thing is acting, and of course you need to be talented. You need to be bloody talented today. You need to have focus. You need to be determined.
Like olden days was simple, the films were simple. Ab bahut high competition and people are not able to cope up with the kind of, you need to look a certain way. You definitely need to have a social media platform.
And trust me, Nadia, it hurts. Like I have done, I started plays when I was 17 years old. Okay,
yes, imagine.
And I am 48 today. I'll be 49 in this year. Okay, you can count the years I've been around. And I started even TV at a very young age. I started TV, my first show was in 1992. Okay, so in spite of that, today people ask for an audition. कि मैम ये रोल के लिए चैनल को ऑडिशन चाहिए. ये ट्रेंड है, ये करना पड़ता है आप. लेकिन अगर आप ईगो लेके बैठ गए या आपने बोला कि नहीं हमें तो इतने ही पैसे चाहिए, हम ऐसे ही काम करेंगे, हम वैसे ही काम करेंगे, तो then that becomes a little difficult because there is immense competition. You want to work on, and obviously there is a certain kind of respect that senior artists do get, which of course we do get. But there is this thing of, there is this trend that audition तो आपको देना पड़ेगा. And today if I say that नहीं यार मुझे मेरा क्या audition लेना, you don't know that I can act, but that's the way it happens.
Okay, yeah. And I guess वक्त के साथ चलना है, जो
वक्त के साथ आपको चलना पड़ेगा.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
आप मानोगे नहीं, जब मैं शुरू किया था मैंने कोई ऑडिशन नहीं दिया था.
I believe you because those were the days.
शुरू किया था, I was just picked up from no, मतलब I was at an elocution contest. I was told okay fine, we're giving you a fantastic role in a play. I started doing plays. Somebody came and saw my play. Somebody said, we are giving you a role in television. My most favorite amongst people is Kal Ho Na Ho, Sweetu.
Yeah.
My director
People-
saw me. My director saw my serial sitting in a flight to London. And that
Imagine. I think that's one of your most loved character.
yes, it is. It is. Thank you,
So
guys.
Achal, Big Boss, they all want you back in Big Boss.
They all want me back in Big Boss. आप बहुत सारी दुआएं करो, भाई आ जाऊंगी.
Getting Big Boss. Acha, obviously it's the OTT ka zamana hai and there's so many web series coming out. We also follow and watch many of them and some really good content. So is there any chance of seeing you now on OTT platform like you said that you might
Yes,
also
I have done a beautiful show called Pari, which is going to be on this new platform called Wow. It's with a very
Okay.
pretty girl. She's worked in a few serials. I'm sure most of you must be knowing her. Her name is Ashnoor Kaur. बहुत ही प्यारी actress है, बहुत ही अच्छी actress है, and she's very young. So I'm playing her mother, and it's a wonderful story about this girl coming to Bombay and trying to make it big. So it's a very inspirational story for all those bachas who want to come to Bombay and make it big out here in the industry. So it's a very, it's a story about the young actors and stuff like that. So, yeah.
So, but do you think that
and there are like,
platform is now, do you think OTT platform is now good, giving a lot of actors a chance to work as films में नहीं है तो web series के through I think people are getting work.
Of course. And this last year has been so bad with the lockdown.
Really?
And, you know, our industry, I think, has been hit the most with theaters just shutting down and nothing. And, you know, so I guess now that things are slightly looking better and opening up, there'll be more actors and more work. And I'm sure it'll be good for everybody. I'm just fingers crossed, yeah.
I swear. Yeah, even here in Dubai, like the theaters are on 50% capacity. Events have completely closed down. So our industry is the most hit. Entertainment is.
Yes.
And we're hoping to bounce back soon. So, yeah. Somebody's asked that you've been working on so many sets. Did you ever get pranked? Like you are this cute, you know, आपको कभी किसी ने prank किया? Or did you ever ended up pranking somebody?
I'm sure बहुत मस्ती चलती रहती है. Of course, like, you know, I've had some great times on the set of Akbar Birbal नाम का एक show था मेरा. जहाँ कीकू शारदा थे मेरे साथ as the Akbar. And we've had some amazing times together, pulling each other's legs, and you know, it was all good fun, yeah. But I don't remember one particular prank, but yeah, masti to chalti rehti hai. Because without that, I don't think you can work for 12 hours, you know.
Exactly, of course. So, when you select a script, तो आप उसमें क्या देखती हो? Like, if you like, okay, this is the kind of stuff that I want to do. What attracts you in the script?
At this moment, I want to do something more challenging other than comedy. So even the new show that I'm going to be there in a new show called Kyun Utte Dil Chhod Aaya on Sony. And yeah, so I've not yet started shooting, but soon. And उसमें obviously एक era दिखाया है, pre-independence and post-independence, and they've shown a leap and stuff like that. So now they're introducing a new family, but of course it's in the 1950s. So the setup is very Balke style, alag, and very Indian and very sober makeup, and the style of whole drama and composition will be very different than the normal serial. So it is fun. It is fun to do something different. Like there was a show called Ek Deewana Tha. I was playing a tantric in that. It was not completely negative, but it was something like a gray shade, positive, negative, and it was very dramatic, the role. In Choti Sardani recently, I played an out-and-out negative. So I would like to do something more than comedy and like to just explore as an actor. I know comedy karungi to wo to ghar ki baat hai. जैसे आप अपने घर में कैसे कंफर्टेबल रहते हो with comedy, I'm like that. कि मुझे करा लो comedy, no problem. You know, it's all fun. It's all okay because
But it's not challenging enough for you because you, like you said, घर की चीज हो.
So I think something that people have not seen me कि अरे Delna's negative कर सकती है. We didn't know that she could do something like this. So something like that would interest me more because I have played Sweetu for the longest time in all my shows and all my movies. I think I've given an overdose of Sweetu to everybody. थोड़ा हमें नागिन बनने का टाइम आ गया है.
But how will people accept you as Nagin? You're too lovable.
Yeah, that I am. That is the little
difficult.
Yeah.
So, if I have to ask you, what's next for Delnaz ji? What's next? What's coming up?
So, well, so there is a show, of course, I don't know, Dubai mein to, of course, I don't know. There is a show that I'm doing, which is very lovely with kids. It's called Delnaz Ki Paathshala, which is on Shemaru Entertainment. It's a digital platform, and I think it's on their channel as well. So it's a show with kids. It's a classroom comedy again. So I'm doing that. I am doing, obviously, like I said, Sony Pe Kyun Itte Dil Chhod Aaya. I have recently done a web film post the lockdown. I shot for a film which is going to be on one of the OTT platforms. I can't reveal the name, but yeah. So it's called Justice for Good Content. It's a little satire on the film industry. So I'm a part of that. Like I said, I've just done Pari, which is on another OTT platform. And there are obviously few things here and there happening. Once you do a daily soap, I don't think you can do much more than that.
So because it takes away most of your things. So, but it's great that we'll be seeing you and some good work coming, and looking forward to that. And all your fans who, like as she said, that there will be a lot of on OTT platforms, and you can check Delnaz ji's out. बहुत सारे fan questions आए, मैंने कुछ pick किए उसमें से because obviously there's a time limit and I won't be able to take all. So Ravi from Bahrain, you debuted in a music video, Baba Sehgal. How did you get that, or how did you audition, or how did you bag it basically?
ये आप लोगों ने बहुत study की है ना, मतलब
people randomly send questions. अभी तो really cute questions are coming in. Yeah.
Okay, so like I said, randomly I just got a call from. I don't even remember.
Yeah, now I'm back.
And I really don't remember specifically, but somebody must have called from his team or something, and I just did the.
And you went for it, and I think people will remember you in that, and it must be like so amazing. Okay, Ayana, are you still in touch with Frankie?
Yes, I am. In fact, we had a live session also, and now Frankie is no more Frankie. He's like this huge guy who is like built up his body, and he's training a lot of the Bollywood stars today. I think he's with Amir, and he's he's not Frankie anymore.
I know. So I think Sweetu and Frankie is something to log nahi bhul pa rahe. It's just that cute chemistry.
I'm so grateful because they were such. मतलब जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, हमें नहीं पता था कि इतनी फ्रेंजी हो जाएगी. But I think my role was so lovable. It was written so well. And this credit should be given not only to me, but to everybody involved, because I think writer Niranjan jo tha, उन्होंने इतनी beautifully इस script को और ये role को लिखा था कि everybody was just coming out speaking. I think that's a very, very big thing, Nadia, because nobody remembers a character artist when you get out of a movie. Especially after 18 years of the film being released, nobody really remembers. People remember, yeah, it's a Shah Rukh Khan film, it's a Preeti Zinta film, it's a Saif Ali Khan film. But it's a Sweetu film. I mean, you feel good about it. I'm feeling really nice about it. But because nobody really talks like this, you know, but people do remember Sweetu. I mean, if they remember Aman and Naina, and then they talk about Sweetu.
So
So
speaking
it's
till
a
ahead,
really
that's
good
not
feeling. Yeah.
possible. Yeah.
And
One of
I
your
mean,
friends,
each and
I'll take
everything,
a
like,
question from the, yeah, I'll take a question from the live chat. One of your fans
yes,
have written, you have a really good YouTube channel. Tell us about
yes,
that.
yes, yes, yes. Why did I not talk about it? So, Nadia,
Yeah.
yeah, so I've just come up with my YouTube channel, and my show on my channel is called Real Women Big Stories with Delna Zaran.
Oh,
And
nice.
yeah,
Subscribe to it.
so like the name suggests, it's all about real women. There are no celebrities. And it's
Okay.
very simple. And I'm not catering to anybody who is you know, not doing, like, you know, कोई बेचारा नहीं है उसमें, कोई दुखियारा नहीं है उसमें. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
all about women who have achieved simple things. It could be a housewife, could be just somebody who is working in a bank or working as a clerk somewhere or working, but they are achievers. They are happy, they are proud of what they're doing, and they're women achievers. So I am not catering to I'm catering to simple women.
Simple.
And
I
you know,
give a
and I'm
platform.
my show is not about demeaning any man out here. We are all equal. So
Yeah.
I am not trying to say कि अरे तुम्हारे पति ने तुम्हारे साथ क्या क्या किया या तुम्हारे पिताजी ने तुम्हारा. No, we are talking about the women in particular, the,
True.
you know, the kind of strength that she has, the kind of work that she's doing, and what has she achieved in life, and how does she you know, take all her problems, and how does she deal with all her problems. My show is all about that. So basically it was just a thought that came. And like I said, Percy supported me a lot, and he said, don't make the show just on a video clip on a phone, make it big, you know,
Yeah.
and make it like a proper show. And
Exactly.
so we slow and steady, I've started this YouTube channel, and I got a good response. And I would like to tell all the women out here who are probably listening to this chat that in case you want to come on the show, obviously not from Dubai and Bahrain and all, but
But if
whoever is in,
chance, I will also.
sure, you're most welcome. But whoever is in India and in Bombay, especially, I am coming up with my season 2. And there were 5 episodes in season 1. So people can go and check those episodes out. And I'm coming up with my season 2. And whoever wants to come on the show can definitely be my guest. Please write your little synopsis of your life, and just send it to me on mail.
And I think your initiative will actually make so much difference in somebody's life. Women are working
Absolutely.
so hard
Like
all
Nadia,
day.
I'll give you a small example. There was my in the season 1, of course, I had people known to me. So there were
Yeah.
my friends. There was Seema Desai, who was, I think she's here on the chat. And hi, Seema, if you're listening. So Seema is a choreographer, was a choreographer. Now she is a filmmaker. She is a director, and she's won so many awards for her latest film, Tinde, you know. And she was here on my show. Then there was another friend of mine who was a cancer survivor.
Okay.
So there are a lot of people who, you know, when they get the disease, they're scared, they don't know how to fight it. And she was a cancer survivor here, talking about how she dealt with the problem. I had another lady who is a grandmother. She's 70 years old. She's looking after her grandchildren, you know, and keeping the family together. And so it's lovely. So there were these different stories. There was another friend of mine who has dealt with alcoholism. Her husband
Okay.
was an alcoholic. How she got him out of it, and you know, dealt with the whole problem. So things like that. So and it's very candid. It's lovely to talk just simply to women, and you know, talk about their lives. And yes, inspirational. They give you the lessons which probably you like, यार इससे किया मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल You never know कौन सी चीज किसको touch कर जाए. Women, they're working hard, they might be depressed, they don't know who to talk to, and maybe through your
Like
platform.
you won't believe it, Nadia.
Yeah.
There was this friend of mine, Jessie, who is a cancer survivor, and she, towards the end, she gave a message that allow people to help you when you are in need.
Yes.
You know, which is so simple, but it's so important. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम अपनी struggles में struggle करते जा रहे हैं, we are dying from inside, but we will not let our loved ones know about anything.
बिल्कुल. एंड समटाइम्स दे फील कि वो समझते नहीं है हमें, लेकिन जब तक आप बात नहीं करोगे वो कैसे समझेंगे. सो ट्रू. I think no, I'm so proud, and really all the best for this YouTube, and I hope you come up, and a lot of women out there, please do reach out, because maybe Dalnasji is not able to reach out to you, so you guys reach out and let her take you on the show, because छोटी सी चीज जिंदगी बदल सकती है, or they can be more positive and go back more positive. So yeah. Someone from Abu Dhabi. I don't know if you know the regions here, Dubai has Sharjah, Abu Dhabi. You know, we have different states, right?
I've come to Dubai very many times. I've visited Abu Dhabi also a couple of times. Dubai, I just love. Nadia, I just love. I can stay in Dubai. If I was not an actor, I would have just flown to Dubai.
So amazing. But whenever you visit, please let us know. We'd love to take you out. We'll meet you, of course.
Sure.
Yeah. So someone from Abu Dhabi, we recently saw your scare of 3 things in one of your videos, I think on Instagram. So what are the 3 things that Dalnasji ko darata hai?
Okay, so I just spoke about it on Instagram, and it was like, I'm really scared of flights, and you know, that's very weird because
flights
we travel so much. Plane, yeah.
Oh wow, okay.
So it started with like this, you know, I have this vertigo issue. Okay, so more than vertigo, it's the psych that I don't know what. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है flights में, and especially when the flight is turbulent, I'm like all helter-skelter. Anybody sitting around. So it's like Percy travels with me most of the times, and then when I go for work, there is my staff, and everybody knows that people who travel with me definitely can give you stories about me that I have been a complete mess. You know, on flights, and I'm like, you know, screaming and shouting at times.
Really? So, oh God. So when you travel to Dubai, other places, so every time you feel वो डर जैसा आपको लगता है?
हाँ, तो मैं थोड़ा सा comfort level के लिए मैं, you know, थोड़ा ऐसे, अभी तो इतना नहीं है, अभी तो it's like थोड़ा कम हो गया है. Because yeah, and like last year before lockdown, I was traveling almost every single day because I was associated with a theater group which took us all around the place, everywhere. I was just coming to Bombay, packing, unpacking, going, packing, unpacking, leaving for some place or the other. So it was like that.
So उससे डर निकला थोड़ा?
Yeah, and no, a lot of times, I mean, it's been years now that you're traveling. Imagine going to places like London and America, and all of that has happened in life. But yeah, so I'm like, I just sleep it out. I just like knock off.
This thing, best.
Yeah.
And what are the other 2 things?
So, and the other 2 things were that I don't know how to ride a bicycle.
Really? Okay. That's okay. Yes. Most of us don't.
And the third thing was like, I have an OCD. I just keep cleaning my house and cleaning my stuff. I mean, house तो क्या मतलब आपका भी घर पे if I see something I'll just start.
I think that आप काफी लोगों की best friend होगी. Considering you probably going to start fixing.
I am like that. I'm like, oh, okay, you know, this should be kept like this. That should be kept like this. ये ऐसा क्यों है? ये तो मैं सुबह ऐसे छोड़ के गई थी. ये शाम को ऐसे क्यों?
I'm OCD, so I know what you mean. And you know exactly कहाँ रख के गई थी और किस angle में था. But I tell all those people who make fun of me as well. I'm like, guys, trust me, it's very good. It's a good thing for cleanliness to keep the house.
Yes, it is.
Money from Dubai. Was Big Boss scripted? ये question This is Mani from Dubai, and 1 or 2 people from the chat has also asked.
No. Big Boss is not scripted. It's never ever scripted, guys. It just looks that way because you all feel अरे ये लोग कैसे मारा मारी कर सकते हैं, कैसे झगड़ा कर, पर हो जाता है, you know, you're without food, you're with absolutely limited resources out there. uh, I'm only talking about my time because my time there was no food, there was
Okay.
nothing, you
Okay.
know, we were just on
They're
basic
all
dal
hands
chawal.
on. Yeah.
So it's like you're locked up inside with strangers. You know that so many things, the task, रात में नींद नहीं है, सुबह जल्दी जगा देते हैं, खाना नहीं मिलता है, कभी कभी पानी बंद कर देते हैं. So there are so many. This is the show. They are trying to put you through difficult situations and how you come out of the situation. That is the show. So yeah, it's never ever scripted, and jhagde automatically ho jate, and you know you need to, and it looks a little scripted because now after 14 seasons, I guess this was the 14th season.
14, 2014, yeah.
Yeah, so in 14 seasons people have already conceived in their minds कि मैं ये बन के जाऊंगी या मैं ये बन के जाऊंगा, and
Okay.
that's the reason why people feel कि यार ये तो you know ये क्या है, ये तो देखा हुआ है ऐसे. So you know sometimes you feel that यार, like in our season we were all still new. It was the 6th season, we were still new and we were still raw, and some of us had not seen the previous seasons as well. So we were still, अभी सारे लोग जो आते हैं वो देख के आते हैं, समझ के आते हैं, रोमांटिक एंगल कर ही लेना है, चिल्लम चिल्ली करनी है, let me be like ex contestant, you know, let me be like this one, you know, that person did so well in the last season, मैं भी ऐसे ही करूंगी तो मैं you know आगे तक जाऊंगी. So people have these preconceived notions and they play it accordingly. Now everybody is playing the game. When we went there, we did not play the game. We were just staying like idiots. We were मुझे तो हंसी आती है जब मैं अपने कुछ एपिसोड्स देखती हूँ कि हम लोग कितने बच्चू थे तब, you know, like we were so raw, we were so innocent. Even in those fights, there was no मुद्दा, बस ऐसे ही मतलब कुछ भी. And
yeah, you felt it the moment you just said it. It was very natural,
and
basically.
Today when you see, आज भी आपको लगता है कि कोई मुद्दा नहीं है, but people are trying to become somebody else and trying to, you know, like if you see every season there'll be some dramatic love triangle, some lovey-dovey couple, somebody who's screaming at the top of his voice without any rhyme or reason, somebody who's extremely quiet. So there are
mixed bag.
Yeah, there are fixed characters.
Yes, exactly. Acha, again, Rahul from Dubai. How was it working in Nach Baliye and kaisa laga and how maza aaya? Like, how was the experience for Nach Baliye?
बहुत interesting show था. I think Nach Baliye was the first ever reality show that people saw. People didn't know the concept of reality show kya hota hai. It was a dance cum reality show. So Nach Baliye was interesting because it was not only about the dance, but it was also the real stories of real couples. So we had 2 days of reality and then we had the dance contest, you know.
Okay.
So it was lovely, I think, and lots of people didn't know that I could dance because, you know, they would feel that, Are, with this heavy body, what, I mean, how could she dance? But a lot of people don't know that I dance.
Yeah. I know I don't think weight matters. You should have the moves and you should have, you know, chahat honi chahiye. And if you have that, then there's nothing stopping. Yeah.
I mean, I cannot say that I'm like a great dancer who can like, I don't have like the proper technique, but yeah, I have the rhythm in the body and I have a lot of energy still.
So I think make some videos on your dances as well. That would be so nice. Pick your favorite song. I would love to see that. Okay, I have a question from Pakistan. By the way, we have a lot of fans in Pakistan as well.
Hey guys, I just want to say hi to everybody. Govind, hi. Priya, hi. Lots of people from Pakistan. Yes. Hello guys. Monica, Nimrit. Somebody's asked me how's your relationship with Urvashi, Rajiv and Imam. Yeah. Everything is wow.
Okay.
Urvashi and me, we are friends. Everything has been sorted now because I just feel life is too short and I can't keep grudges, yeah. And I don't think anybody should. And
Sure.
yes, Imam also, none of us meet that often, but yeah, there is always a very cordial relationship with people. And, like I said, things happen in that house because that house is such,
Yeah.
आप 100 दिन रह रहे हो किसी के साथ, तो it's bound to happen. Clashes are bound to happen. But once you get out, then you feel you're yaar,
क्या
you know.
किया?
Yeah.
Just get it,
And
get it.
it should all pass because, like I said, life is too short to just keep having grudges with people. And why?
Right, true, true.
Yeah.
Rumina from Pakistan, how was your experience working with SRK?
Oh, wow. And let me tell you guys, because most of you guys just talk about Kal Ho Na Ho. Nobody remembers that I was in a movie called Bhootnath also with SRK.
Well, you
And I was
were.
in a movie called Ravan also with SRK. So I've done like 3 films
Yes,
with him.
shared with Tushar Kapoor as well.
Huh?
Your scene with Tushar Kapoor. I think there was a movie you did.
Shahid.
No, Tushar.
Tushar, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Tushar, I did a guest appearance. It was called Kya Cool Hai Hum. But
yeah.
with Shahrukh, it was 3 films. And of course, the experience has been fantastic. He's a ladies' man. He just
Yeah,
knows it all.
completely. Met
And
him
he's a lovely
once.
person. And जितने मैं तो हमेशा कहूंगी कि जितने बड़े artists, उतने wonderful human beings.
True.
Because they just it I just feel that I've worked with Saif, I've worked with Shahid, I've worked with Karina, Preeti. They're all so lovely. I've worked with Jayaji. I mean,
Gee,
in Kal Ho Na Ho. They're all so lovely.
so lovely, amazing. Um, okay, Sana from Sharjah, who is your favorite co-star?
My favorite
Star,
co-star I've worked
co-star,
with in
yeah, yeah,
film.
that you work with
In film,
in films or TV series. You can just pick one.
Karina. Karina
Karina,
Kapoor is, yeah. She's lovely. She's
she's
lovely.
lovely. She's a very nice person. Okay, Farooq from Dubai. Did people's perception change after Big Boss? And if you're given a chance, would you ever go back in again?
Yeah, why not? I would go back. I would go back, make my money, and this time I would be a little more smarter.
With some strategy.
I would play the game they want me to play.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay.
it's good. Yeah, it's good to go into the Big Boss house and have that experience. And why not? Since a lot of ex-contestants are going,
Gee,
I
gee.
I don't mind going at all. Yeah,
Okay, that would be nice. Hopefully, we
I
get to
think
see it.
everybody should throw it in the universe.
Yes. And I think this time you'll be slightly more prepared of what's going to happen. So,
Yeah,
okay.
somebody is wishing me from Berlin. Anja, thank you. Yes.
Okay. I hope now mine might get hanged now after a long question. So you can take them directly. Okay. Hina, the most awkward moment in a reality show that you must have faced. Any reality show that could be any awkward moment.
I think I think the most awkward was obviously seeing my ex-husband with me in Big Boss. That
Okay.
that was indeed the most awkward moment for me
Hmm.
because obviously I was like, how would I deal with this for the next
So
however
many
many
months.
days?
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Okay. So, okay, Salman, if we get a chance to live one day, Delna's ki life, like आपकी जिंदगी का एक दिन, so what are they expecting? How would our day be?
Oh, okay. So they need to be very neat and clean, firstly.
Okay, guys, hope you're listening.
Okay. They will have a lot of like spick and span. So yes, but they will have a lot of fun because घूमते फिरते maybe I'll just crack up or I'll crack some joke or something like that, and there'll be a lot of tea. Chai
Tea.
मुझे बहुत
I
पसंद है.
saw
Yeah.
I saw you with that tea with the pudina and the chai. I
Yes,
saw. Yeah,
yes.
I'll try that
So I
recipe.
love a lot of tea. I like to go out. So if it's gonna be a fun day, maybe shopping, maybe going out for lunch, then maybe going out for a cup of coffee. So it's all going to be good.
Like a full-on day.
Yeah, like a full-on mazedar day. Yeah.
Amazing. So no, you're wonderful, and I think you're so full of energy and positivity. That's what we need, and especially at COVID के time पे इतनी जो disheartened, लोग
Yeah.
upset and depressed हैं. जान के नहीं, but I guess it has hit all countries. It's not के. So
Yes.
this kind of
Yes.
positivity and happy nature like yours, and लोग आपको देख के खुश होते हैं. I think अभी यही चाहिए सबको. It's
I
more
think,
about
I've had all these people support me always and from so
जी.
many countries, and I'm really very grateful, Nadia. I just feel very, very touched and grateful, and मैं आप लोगों से क्या बोलूं यार, because I think there's so much love that people give me, and I don't know what to say. I just don't have words for the fans who love me so much. And they're all lovely, and the comments just, एक कोई भी वीडियो डाल दो, एक कोई भी पिक्चर डाल दूं इंस्टा पे, there are so many lovely comments, and there's so many supporters, who just come and just they're there for you. So it's lovely because maybe we're not related, they're just simple fans, but they give you so much love that you feel so important. And what more do you want? आप काम किस लिए कर रहे हो?
बिल्कुल.
As
To get
actors,
appreciated.
you're working for people,
People. बिल्कुल.
and if
बिल्कुल.
they are not there, we're not there.
True, bilkul. So true. But it's so amazing, and just always stay like this, and be happy and be
Thank you.
smiling, and all the best for the future.
Thank
We are
you,
very
Nadia. Thank
excited.
you so
to-
much. And last, I just want to say, oh, Shayantini Ghosh ki, Divani, hi, Bablu, hi, Kavita, everybody, a very happy Holi to everybody.
Yes. And we're happy Holi to you, your family, everybody at home,
Thank you.
and look after yourself and be safe. And thank you so much for taking out time for me. And really appreciate it. And I will subscribe to your channel, and I will tell everybody else to subscribe to the
Thank
YouTube
you,
channel.
Nadia. Thank you
Anybody
so
who
much.
needs
And
help.
it was lovely talking to you
Same here.
also.
Thank you.
I'm so glad I came on the show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Take care. Happy
Bye.
Holi again.
Thank
Bye.
you. Happy Holi. Thanks.
Bye.